Okay, we're going to repair a battery terminal. These are lead. They melt at like 600 degrees, something really low. So, take a piece of foil, you take a piece of a tin can, Coke can, whatever, wrap it around, get as close to the shape as you can. That's going to dictate the shape of your lug. Once you're in there, get a piece of clay. Don't use Play-Doh, probably got too much water in it. This is just going to support it, because without this clay around it, it's just going to open up. All right. Okay. And now you've got your lug. It's not going to leak liquid lead anywhere. All right. All right. You get yourself a bottom of an old propane tank. Just make sure it's empty. Cut it off. I chose it because it was metal. Then you start heating up the lead. Just get the little chips of lead in there. Now we're going to heat this up, and we're going to pour it in another battery. So let me change battery positions. All right, we're actually going to put this onto a JIS terminal battery. This is called a pencil post, and it's much smaller than a regular SAE battery. So we're going to take our form, we're going to put it right over that, we're going to center it, and we're going to make sure that it's not going to let any of this lead out. Alrighty. Then we're going to start cooking our lead, and we're going to pour it right in there. Alright. Okay, here it comes. I got my lead pretty much molten, and we're going to give it a little more heat. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, that's gonna cool, and I'm gonna remove the form, and then we're gonna shape it so it looks like sort of like that one. That was my last one. I might have to redo that one, but pretty close. Stand by. Alright, we're going to put a little water on it. Alright, that's one big ass battery lug, but we will trim it, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, we reshaped the terminal to match a positive clamp. Fits pretty good. Negative side, same thing. I'm holding the camera while I'm doing this, but yeah. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Some clay, piece of aluminum can, and some old sinkers.